the YouTuber who built an international audience. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever dreamed of reaching people around the world with your ideas, creativity, or passion? What if language was the only thing holding you back? Today, we're sharing the inspiring story of Alex, a young content creator who turned his struggle with English into an opportunity to build a successful YouTube channel with an international audience, a passion for content, a struggle with language. Alex had always loved making videos. Since childhood, he recorded travel vlogs, tech reviews, and funny sketches, but his audience was small. He wanted to share his content with more people, but there was a problem. He only spoke his native language. Most of the global audience, including the biggest YouTube communities, spoke English. He realized that if he wanted to grow, he needed to improve his English. However, learning a language felt intimidating. He had studied English in school, but he couldn't speak fluently or express himself confidently. His biggest fear was making mistakes in front of the camera, a decision to learn through action. Instead of waiting until his English was perfect, Alex decided to learn by doing. He started by adding English subtitles to his videos. At first, it was difficult, and he had to look up words constantly. But each time, he learned new phrases and improved his writing. Next, he challenged himself to speak in English on camera. His first English video was short, and he made many mistakes. He felt nervous, but he received encouraging comments from viewers who appreciated his effort. This motivated him to keep going. Daily practice and small improvements. To improve faster, Alex immersed himself in English every day. He watched YouTube videos from English-speaking creators, listened to podcasts, and read articles about filmmaking and storytelling. Instead of just consuming content, he actively repeated phrases, wrote down new vocabulary, and practiced speaking out loud. One of the biggest changes came when he started thinking in English. He trained his brain to describe his daily activities in English, even when he was alone. This helped him respond more naturally when speaking on camera. Over time, his English videos became longer and more confident. He also started engaging with his international audience in the comments. At first, his replies were simple, but as his English improved, he could express himself better and connect with viewers worldwide. Overcoming challenges and growing his channel. There were times when Alex felt discouraged. Some viewers criticized his accent or grammar, but he didn't let that stop him. Instead, he used the feedback to improve. He worked on his pronunciation, watched tutorials, and even practiced with native speakers through online communities. After a year of consistent effort, his channel saw a huge transformation. His videos reached more people, and his subscribers grew from a small local audience to thousands of international fans. He started collaborating with other creators, getting sponsorships, and even receiving invitations to global events. His biggest achievement? He no longer felt afraid to speak English. He had gained confidence, not only as a YouTuber, but also as an English speaker. Lessons from Alex's journey. Alex's story teaches us that you don't have to be perfect to start. Learning English through action, by speaking, writing, and engaging, helps you improve much faster than studying alone. Mistakes are part of the journey, and the more you practice, the more natural English becomes. If you want to build an international audience, start using English today. Even small steps, like commenting in English or practicing speaking, can make a big difference. Would you like to create content in English? What's one step you'll take today? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more motivational stories and learning tips. See you in the next video.